Imagine a world where traffic congestion no longer exists, where you are not bound by roads but instead travel freely through the sky. What was once just a concept from science fiction is now turning into reality with the advent of flying motorcycles. These futuristic vehicles combine the thrill of motorcycles with the boundless freedom of flight, opening up new possibilities for personal transportation, emergency response, and even military applications. But how exactly do flying motorcycles work? What technologies enable them to take off and maneuver in the air? Who is developing them, and when can we expect to see them in our daily lives? In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about flying motorcycles, from their engineering and flight mechanics to real-world models and the challenges that must be overcome before they become mainstream. The fundamental principle behind flying motorcycles is lift generation. Unlike conventional motorcycles that rely on wheels and engines to move on the ground, flying motorcycles use advanced propulsion systems to achieve flight. Most designs resemble drones, utilizing multiple rotors or propellers that generate lift and enable controlled movement in the air. Some models rely on jet engines for thrust, while others operate using electric motors powered by high-capacity batteries. One of the most well-known flying motorcycles is the Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation. This innovative machine is powered by multiple jet engines and is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, much like a helicopter. However, unlike traditional helicopters, the Speeder is significantly smaller and designed for personal use. It is envisioned for various applications, including military missions, medical evacuations, and personal transportation. Another exciting model is the X2 developed by the Japanese company ALI Technologies. This hoverbike uses a hybrid propulsion system, combining a conventional gasoline engine with electric motors to achieve stable and controlled flight. First unveiled in 2021, the X2 has already demonstrated its ability to hover and maneuver smoothly. The company aims to use this technology for rescue operations, law enforcement, and even sports entertainment. Then there is the Lazareth LMV 496, a groundbreaking machine that seamlessly transitions from a traditional motorcycle to a flying vehicle. This unique design allows riders to switch between road travel and flight, thanks to retractable jet turbines integrated into the wheels. With the push of a button, the bike lifts off the ground, offering an exhilarating airborne experience. The core technology behind flying motorcycles includes several critical components. The first and most important is the propulsion system. Depending on the model, flying motorcycles may use electric duct fans, turbojet engines, or a combination of both. Electric models are quieter and more environmentally friendly, whereas jet-powered variants provide higher speeds and longer flight durations. Another key component is the stabilization and control system. Since maintaining balance in the air is crucial, these motorcycles are equipped with advanced gyroscopes, sensors, and artificial intelligence systems that ensure smooth and stable flight. Many function similarly to drones, using onboard computers to make rapid adjustments in response to wind conditions and rider inputs. The materials used in constructing these motorcycles also play a crucial role in their efficiency and performance. Since weight is a significant factor in flight, most flying motorcycles are built using lightweight yet strong materials such as carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum. This ensures durability while keeping the vehicle light enough to lift off and maneuver easily. Battery technology is another essential factor, particularly for electric flying motorcycles. Current lithium-ion batteries offer limited flight times, typically ranging from 20 to 40 minutes per charge. However, advancements in battery technology, such as solid-state batteries and hydrogen fuel cells, could significantly improve flight duration in the near future. Despite these promising advancements, flying motorcycles still face several challenges before they can become a common mode of transportation. One of the biggest concerns is safety. Unlike ground vehicles, which can stop or pull over in case of a malfunction, flying motorcycles need advanced fail-safe mechanisms to prevent accidents. Engineers are working on solutions such as emergency parachutes, automated landing systems, and AI-powered navigation to enhance safety. Regulatory approval is another major hurdle. Most countries have strict aviation laws that control airspace usage, and integrating personal flying vehicles into these regulations requires significant modifications. Governments and aviation authorities must establish new traffic management systems to prevent mid-air collisions and ensure safe air travel for all. Another significant barrier is affordability. Currently, flying motorcycles are extremely expensive, with prices reaching hundreds of thousands of dollars. This makes them accessible only to the wealthy or specialized industries such as defense and emergency services. However, as technology advances and production scales up, costs are expected to decrease, making flying motorcycles more affordable for the general public. Infrastructure development is another key factor in determining how soon flying motorcycles can be integrated into everyday life. Unlike traditional motorcycles, which can be refueled or recharged at existing gas stations, flying motorcycles require specialized charging stations, designated landing pads, and sophisticated air traffic control systems to ensure smooth and safe operations. Some companies are already working on urban air mobility solutions, including dedicated air corridors and smart city planning, to accommodate these futuristic vehicles. But what is the experience of riding a flying motorcycle like? Operating one is completely different from riding a traditional motorcycle. Instead of leaning into turns and controlling speed with the throttle, pilots must manage altitude, hovering, and three-dimensional navigation. Some models are designed to be fully autonomous, allowing riders to simply input their destination while the onboard computer handles the flight. Others require manual operation, similar to how drones or small aircraft are controlled. Beyond personal transportation, flying motorcycles have the potential to revolutionize several industries. In emergency response, they could be used to quickly transport medical supplies and personnel to disaster-stricken areas. Law enforcement agencies could deploy them for rapid response, surveillance, and crowd control. The military sees potential in using them for reconnaissance, special operations, and quick tactical deployments. In addition to these practical applications, flying motorcycles are also capturing the imagination of extreme sports enthusiasts. Future racing leagues could feature high-speed aerial competitions, where skilled pilots navigate obstacle courses in the sky. This could pave the way for an entirely new category of motorsports, blending the thrill of motorcycle racing with the excitement of aerial maneuvers. However, despite all these possibilities, mass adoption of flying motorcycles will take time. Technological advancements must address current limitations in battery life, safety systems, and affordability. Governments must establish new regulations to integrate these vehicles into urban environments safely. Infrastructure must evolve to support this new mode of transportation, with dedicated flight paths, landing zones, and charging networks. While flying motorcycles may not yet be a part of our daily lives, the rapid progress being made in this field suggests that they could become a reality sooner than we think. As engineers refine designs, improve safety measures, and lower costs, these futuristic vehicles could transition from experimental prototypes to practical solutions for modern transportation challenges. Imagine a future where instead of being stuck in traffic, you simply lift off from your home and soar above the city, reaching your destination in a fraction of the time it takes on the ground. Whether for personal travel, emergency services, or even recreational flying, The era of flying motorcycles is fast approaching, and it promises to redefine the way we move.